Back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make this amazing rosemary oil. Okay, rosemary oil is amazing for your hair. Okay, it's like amazing. You can just see its benefits. It is how to you massage it into your scalp. You make a hair oil. Okay, so if you can see, if you're a fan of hot oil treatments or oil based hair mask, incorporating rosemary oil is going to be a snap. We specially recommend nourishing oils like argan, jojoba or coconut for ultra moisturizing benefit. Simply add 3 to 5 drops of rosemary oil to your oil treatments to combine and apply as needed. Okay, so as you can see, we are going to use how to use rosemary oil for hair growth. While the use of essential oil may seem like a straightforward process, it comes with nuisances, and naturally you may have some questions. Here are some questions on how to use rosemary oil for hair growth. If you're just starting using rosemary oil for hair growth, it's best you use it daily for 6 months in order to see the result. After 6 months, you can adapt to a weekly regimen. How long should I leave rosemary oil in my hair? When using rosemary oil for hair growth, try keeping it for just 5 to 10 minutes at a time before rinsing. So guys, rosemary oil is amazing and I'm going to show the benefit. My best friend is Google. I love Google. It's helpful for everything for me. So yes, see that it's mentioned here. Like I have literally heard many people saying use rosemary oil. It's amazing for the hair growth, and I'm going to do that because I know that if so many out of 100 people, if 99 people are saying that rosemary oil is effective, that why not give it a try? So if you can see, people also ask on Google that is rosemary oil scientifically proven to grow the hair. The answer appears to be yes, and there's scientific proof behind it. Researchers found that rosemary oil to be as effective at encouraging the hair regrowth as minoxidil, a medication better known as Rogaine, says Dr. Rogaine, Dr. Ketrapal something. So yeah, how long does it take for the rosemary oil to improve your hair? It takes 6 months. A 2015 study compared to rosemary oil to minoxidil, a popular hair growth treatment. People with DHT related hair loss received either rosemary oil or minoxidil for 6 months. At 3 months, neither group had more hair. By 6 months, both groups saw significant increase in the hair growth. So guys, I am going to prepare rosemary oil for you, and it's not just going to have the rosemary plant. Okay, so I'm just going to show you what I will be using, the options. Can I use dried rosemary for hair? Rosemary is known to stimulate the hair growth. Okay, there's no lies about it. Yes, it's definitely going to help you with hair growth, and we will see the results. Cleanse the scalp and increases the shine and relieves the scalp issues. We all want that. If we are having dry and brittle hair, we want such a thing which will help us cleanse our scalp, increase the shine and relieve the scalp issues. You can use rosemary herb to make the hair tea or rosemary water, or infuse it in the coconut oil for rosemary hair oil. Rosemary is the first herb that comes to your mind when we think of hair growth, and this is what the herb looks like. Okay, in case if you have fresh rosemary, a good ratio of 1 to 3. For example, if a recipe calls for 3 teaspoons of fresh rosemary, use 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary. Okay, dried herbs tend to have very less oil because of course they're dried and they are dehydrated. However, these oils tend to be trapped deeper inside the herb. Please, if you can see, this is the fresh rosemary, and you can also purchase fresh rosemary if you have it. The recipe that I'm going to make it with the dried rosemary because I couldn't find the fresh rosemary. This is what it looks like. Okay, this is what the rosemary plant looks like. I'm going to make it big so that you can have a better look. Yeah, this is what the rosemary plant looks like. So, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And as you know that today we are making a very interesting rosemary oil for hair growth, and people who are facing a lot of scalp issues, and we face less shine in our hair. If you can see that the hair becomes very brittle and it becomes very dry, and I thought that this oil will be very effective for many, and we're going to make it. It's a very amazing recipe. It's going to make the rosemary will be infused with amazing oils and a secret ingredient which will definitely add shine to your hair and it will strengthen your hair. I guarantee you that because I have been using it, and out of 100 people, 99 people will tell you that rosemary is an amazing thing for your hair. We need to believe it, and we will have to believe it. So let's do it. Let's try to make this recipe, and let me show you, pass on my knowledge to you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it, because I want to share the knowledge that I have with you and come up and tell you the amazing recipes that I have learned. So let me show you the ingredient. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, please subscribe, share this amazing recipe. Maybe it could be helpful to somebody. I am going to make this amazing rosemary oil. For that I have taken 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. Okay, so this is my secret ingredient I'm taking. It's fenugreek seeds. And have a look. I don't know why the camera is not showing it. This is the fenugreek seed, and fenugreek seeds, right? You have to take 1 tablespoon of it. 1 tablespoon. This is very good for your hair. It builds in the shine, it makes your hair strong. This is kalonji. It's also known as nigella seeds. It's black seed. It's very good. It's very effective for the hair growth. I have taken 1 teaspoon of it. I've taken 1 tablespoon fenugreek seed, 1 teaspoon black seeds. I've taken 30 ml almond oil, 50 ml coconut oil, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of rosemary leaves, dried ones. I have added all the ingredients in this recipe. Also, I've added a little bit more of coconut oil because I found that very less. If you want to put more, 100 ml coconut oil, you can put that. I think I have put 60 ml coconut oil, 30 ml almond oil, and 2 tablespoons of rosemary, 1 teaspoon of black seeds, and 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. And I'm going to let it simmer till all the things are combined in this oil for 10 minutes. At this point you can see that the rosemary is completely infused in the oil, and I'm going to take it out. This is the fresh rosemary oil that I have taken out. It's very hot at the moment. It's very hot, and the rosemary is actually infused in this oil. It's smelling very good, and this is ready for applying in your hair. I'm going to transfer it in this kind of a bottle. Okay, I'm going to transfer it in this bottle. It's very hot now. I will wait for a little while and I will transfer it in this bottle. Rosemary oil is ready. I have added a little bit of dried rosemary into the oil so that it can still infuse in the oil. And when you're using the oil, you can it's okay if these big strands of rosemary come into your hair. It's fine. It will be washable, and it's going to be an amazing oil. It's very effective. So give it a try, guys, and subscribe to my channel. Make this amazing oil for yourself.